Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna show you in this video. So you just bought MacBook M3 Pro 16-inch or 14-inch, and this is my beginner's tutorial for you. Let's jump right in this video without wasting any seconds. So I'm just gonna share with you from my experience when I bought this laptop, what problems I faced. I'm gonna explain exactly for a complete beginner that you never tried or never used a MacBook machine, how to navigate, how to use it. So the first problem, like when you just open your MacBook, you won't have to press any button to open the laptop. It will open automatically. Then you're gonna have to set up your iCloud, and then I was kind of annoying for me because I didn't know, because like the I had problems with the trackpad. So here we can go here and fix this. So I actually tap to click, and this was like actually on default is actually disable this. So please enable this. It's gonna help you to tab to select. So make sure you enable this. Also tracking speed, increase this to fast, and let me just here we can see also tracking speed, click light, so you don't have to press very fast. And now another thing here that really helped me is go to accessibility here, go to point control, and then here please go to touchpad option, and then here dragging style, so with drag control. So if I like, just maybe I want with the 3, use trackpad for scrolling, use inherent inertia when scrolling. Here are the other settings here, but you can change this. And also mouse settings here, just other settings here. You click on mouse if you have a mouse plugged in. If not, you're gonna have to buy a hub, so you can use a Bluetooth mouse. Now here secondary, you have some settings here, but now how to navigate in on MacBook. Well, the dashboard here, if you want to, you can go here right at the top, and if you click on here, you can see about this Mac, you can see system settings. From here you can shut down, restart, or put to sleep. Now if you open any application, when you open an application, you should see like the settings for that application. So if I open file, that's files here, as you can see, this actually, because I changed this application, now let's actually open a different application. Actually, I'm just gonna move the OBS application. 1 second, excuse me. Okay, now I have here the, if I select now the OBS application, as you can see, it changes the settings here. If I click on this, now actually click on this, now I see OBS here. So on Windows you see like the settings right at the top here, but on Mac you see at the top here. Now to install apps, you can install apps. When you install an app, you just have to drag and drop the file, and you can also install files from App Store. You just have to open App Store and here look for the app that you want to install. And also another thing here, I think important to mention here, if you want there's some options, like if you want to copy paste, you have to press Command C, Command V. Command stands for control, I mean not stands for, but is on MacBook is control is command. And now Other things that you probably will face are, of course, the keyboard is different. Of course, now if you want to, here you can enable your Wi-Fi. You can enable your Wi-Fi from here. So I'm gonna share with you some apps now to help you be more productive and improve your productivity on Mac. So we can actually go to apps control and look here for rectangle. So look for rectangle because it is very helpful. This app actually, you instead of going here to apps, you can also search on Google rectangle. And with this app, you have the option to basically what you have like on a Snap on Windows. So here you go left, right, up, bottom, and we'll snap, snap. You can also double click here to go full, and yeah, you also can here. And if you want to close the app, you can click on OBS here and click OBS, or use the Command key or hide Command H. And it's good to learn the shortcuts because it's quite these buttons. That's something I don't really like. On MacBook they're really small, so it's better to use the shortcuts. And even if they were kind of like large, you can. It's much faster to use the shortcuts. Command M, and sometimes Command N. No, I might be wrong, but it doesn't work for some apps. If you want to hide, let's say, click, it hides, but not the way you might want to. Anyways, but you can hide or show all now. But just to minimize it, it's Command H, and for some actually minimize it, not hide it. Sorry. For some apps doesn't work, but for others it does work. And if you want to quit, yeah, just click on here. Now another app you might need for productivity, I use this one, is just a countdown, and I can click on here and settings, and here you have more settings here. And also, if you want to have a separate display, you should search for this app on apps on Google. Here is monitor control. Also for password robot form. And if you want to record your screen, I use OBS. There's also these other apps like Studio, this one, Screen Studio. I haven't tried this app yet. You gotta buy the subscription. Excuse me, but it's a good app. It's a really good app. I heard from others. I haven't tried it, but yeah, that's what I've heard. You can use OBS. You can also use let's say press on your keyboard Shift and then Control 4, I believe. I haven't used the shortcut that much. Okay, you can take a screenshot like this with Shift, Control, Shift, Command, and then 4. But if you press Command Shift Control 3, then you're going to take for the entire screen. Now Shift Command 5, you can actually record. You have here options to record full screen, wherever you want, and then click on capture. And that's actually the built-in option. We have like the software to record our screen on MacBook, so it's good, but I just like more OBS with more options. But for something a quick tutorial, it's pretty good. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. If you have more questions, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching and take care.